Sean.
Hey guys, it's Sean again. Got another box to open. Doing it at work, so this ought to be interesting. I have an audience. You know, it's like that live tape studio audience thing in... Yeah, exactly right, like that. I even have a cameraman. So we'll see how this goes. Anyways, got the usual Walmart box here. I already opened it, but haven't opened the packs yet, so... Got the Brian Noonan card there for the special bonus. And the jersey hit, the relic hit, is a Nicholas Cromwell jersey card. So got Crown Royal Hockey, 2 packs of the 2010-11 Pinnacle, 2 packs of the 2016-17 Parkhurst, and Series 2 15-16 Upper Deck. So we'll open it up. One of these days, if the pack ever opens. Oh. Okay, base. Ooh, a Dan Cloutier blue card. It's not serial numbered, so it's probably not worth much of anything. Donald Audette complete. Pacific complete. Well, you're a Montreal Canadiens fan, Patrick. You'll like that.
Hells yeah.
Okay, 16-17 Parkhurst now. Okay. Oh, Ray Bork, Centennial Series. That's not bad. The rookies, Zach Sanford and Braden Point. The rest is base. Another 16-17 Parkhurst. Oh. Wrappers all over the place. Ooh, not bad. Sidney Crosby letter on the sweater. That's actually a pretty decent insert. I got a Mike Riley rookie card. Onto the Pinnacle pack. Oh boy. Icebreakers, Alexander Vasyanov. I'd never even heard of this guy. And the rest is all base. Not going so well so far, is it, Patrick?
Yeah.
Those are awesome sound effects.
Quiet, Ernie, quiet.
Shh. Quiet on the set. Quiet on the set.
You're fired.
Yeah, all base pack. Now the 15-16 Upper Deck Series 2.
Sorry, guy.
Ooh, this isn't all that bad. A rookie Upper Deck portrait, Max Domi. Remember Ty Domi?
Mm-hmm.
He beat the hell out of everybody. And the rest is base. Okay, last pack. Oh. Oh, oh, jeez. I see this and I think it's Connor McDavid because I see the Oilers logo. Well, that kind of sucks. But anyways, guys, that's it for that. You guys know how to contact me. Click like on the video and subscribe and click that notification bell to see how bad all my other boxes are too, okay? Thanks, we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.